Join me as I dive into the world of IBIT stocks and try to uncover the secrets that could change everything. IBIT stocks are generating a lot of buzz in the investment community, and for good reason. They're a type of stock that allows investors to tap into the growing trend of digital assets. But what exactly are IBIT stocks, and why are they so popular? Simply put, IBIT stocks are a way for investors to gain exposure to the crypto market without actually buying cryptocurrencies. This has opened up a new world of investment opportunities for people who are interested in the space but don't want to take on the risks associated with buying and holding individual cryptocurrencies. One of the biggest misconceptions about IBIT stocks is that they're only for experienced investors. Many people think that you need to be a seasoned pro to navigate the world of IBIT stocks, but that's not necessarily true. Another challenge investors face is the lack of understanding about how IBIT stocks work. Some people think they're just like regular stocks, but there are some key differences. For example, IBIT stocks can be more volatile than traditional stocks, and they're often affected by factors outside of the traditional stock market. This can make it difficult for investors to know what to expect. Additionally, there's a lot of misinformation out there about IBIT stocks, which can make it hard for investors to separate fact from fiction. Investors also struggle with the fast-paced nature of the crypto market, which can make it tough to stay on top of market trends. So, what factors influence the price of IBIT stocks? One major factor is market trends. When the crypto market is hot, IBIT stocks tend to do well. But when the market cools down, IBIT stocks can suffer. Investor behavior is another key factor. When investors are bullish on the crypto market, they're more likely to invest in IBIT stocks. The overall performance of the global economy also plays a role, as it can affect investor sentiment and willingness to take on risk. The level of adoption and use of the underlying technology is another important factor to consider, as it can impact the long-term viability of IBIT stocks. Here's a secret that could change the way you think about trading IBIT stocks. One of the most effective strategies is to focus on the underlying technology and adoption rates, rather than just market trends. This means looking beyond the surface level and doing your research on the companies behind the IBIT stocks. By taking a deeper dive, you can gain a better understanding of the potential for long-term growth. Another key strategy is to diversify your portfolio by investing in a range of IBIT stocks, rather than putting all your eggs in one basket. This can help you manage risk and increase potential returns. So, what can we take away from our exploration of IBIT stocks? Understanding what drives their price and how to navigate the market is crucial for making informed investment decisions. By being aware of the potential pitfalls and opportunities, you can make more confident choices about your investments. What do you think about IBIT stocks? Have you had any experiences with them? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about investing and stay up to date on the latest market trends, be sure to check out my next video for more tips and insights.